Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to withdraw your Polkadot tokens from your Trezor hardware wallet and get them into your Revolut account in 2025. Whether you're building your crypto portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step guide will keep things simple and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have your Trezor device set up, your Polkadot wallet connected, and a Revolut account ready to go. Also, remember that crypto involves risks, so always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Connect your Trezor to your computer and open the Trezor Suite app. This is your gateway to managing your Polkadot tokens securely. Once logged in, navigate to your Polkadot account and check your balance to confirm how much you're working with. Step 2. In the Trezor interface, select the Send option for Polkadot. You'll need to enter a recipient address. Here's the catch. Revolut doesn't directly support Polkadot deposits, so send your tokens to a trusted crypto exchange like Binance or Kraken that supports Polkadot. Copy the exchange's deposit address carefully. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction details, and confirm it on your Trezor device for added security. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. It usually takes a few minutes. Step 4. Once your Polkadot arrives at the exchange, go to the trading section and sell your tokens for your preferred fiat currency, like USD or EUR. Keep an eye on fees to maximize your returns. Step 5. After selling, withdraw the fiat from the exchange directly to your Revolut account. This might involve entering your Revolut bank details. Just follow the exchange's withdrawal process and verify everything. And there you have it. Your funds should now be in Revolut, ready for everyday use. Always enable two-factor authentication and stay vigilant against scams. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.